Wow. Man, what awesome weather we're having. Are you guys ready to explore the Everglades? Got alligators everywhere. Blue herons. Oh, man. You know, when it's cold and it snows up north, all of the birds migrate from up north. And they all come to one place. Only one place in the entire world known as the Florida Everglades. I don't know what you're doing today, but if you're locked up in a room somewhere and you're doing something, it's not adventurous or action-packed. Heck, maybe you want to go ahead and check us out at airboatineverglades.com. Feel free to book your adventure today at 1-888-893-4443. Have a great day. Explore the Everglades with Airboat in Everglades.